Hey everybody, it's Rick in the kitchen again, and I want to show you a quick clip from Netflix's The Haunting of Bly Manor, which is the inspiration for this video.
Wow.
There you go, mate.
Thank you. Owen makes the best dinners. He made me a macaroni and cheese sandwich once, which was divine.
Did you hear that? A macaroni and cheese sandwich that was divine? Owen may have made that in Bly Manor, but Rick's going to make one in the kitchen today. Now, I kept the ingredients fairly simple for this. I started with store-bought macaroni and cheese. I baked it according to package directions. That I then refrigerated and cut into roughly the size of a piece of bread. Then we're going to need 2 slices of American cheese or cheese of your choice. Of course, you can't make grilled cheese without butter. And then the bread I'm using is Nature's Own butter bread, but feel free to use whatever you have on hand. Okay, the first thing I did is I buttered both pieces of bread, and then I'm heating a pan over medium-high heat just to get it nice and hot, because what we want to do is we want to put the macaroni and cheese in the pan and heat it up. Now once the pan is heated, I'm going to put the macaroni and cheese down. Here it sizzle a little bit. And I'm going to let it heat up and form a nice crust on the bottom, and then we're going to flip it over and do the crust on the top. And now we're going to flip it when I think, oh, look how pan moved. There we go. You see that nice little brown crust? That's what we want. Flip it over on the other side for a couple of minutes and let that get nice and crispy and golden and warm and ooey and gooey. Okay, now it's time for the magic to happen. We're going to get a slice of our cheese, put on top, take this out of the skillet, put a buttered side piece of the bread down. Oh, almost forgot the other part. Put a slice of cheese on the bread, and then the macaroni and cheese on top of that. Of course, I'm doing this one-handed, y'all, so give me a break. There we go. Okay. And then we're going to put the other slice of cheese on top. Then we're going to turn the burner down and let it slow toast, grill in the pan. And I'll let that do for a few minutes, and I'll turn it over and we'll see how it's going. And see that nice golden toast on top? I just flipped it, got the bottom side going now. Won't be but another minute or two. Got to press it down. All good cheese, grilled cheese sandwiches are pressed down, right? Okay, it looks like it's perfect to take out. So let me get my spatula here. Put it down on the plate. Let's bring it over here. See, look at that. Let's take a peek on the inside. Ooh, look at that. All right, let me get a knife and we'll cut it. Okay, let's see if we can cut this. I'm going to cut it right down the center, so we can see if we get a cross section of all of it. Look at that. Can you see it? All right, let's see if I can take a bite of it. Oh my God. This is scary good. Where Excuse me, I agree with Flora on this one. Owen makes a grilled cheese sandwich. I'm sorry, grilled macaroni and cheese sandwich. That is divine. So why don't you make you one of these? And let's watch The Haunting of Bly Manor together. Thanks for watching. See you next time.